Hello and welcome to a new video presented by Stein Investments. During the past days I've been asked quite often how I trade with the new Smart Stop series and the tools included. And while I just received a new notification for a new stop loss level here for the NZD Japanese yen, I thought about, hey, why not shoot a short video to explain how this works. So you see here New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, there is a new buy stop level and it's classified as very tight. You see this in the notification as well, and you see at the white coloring that this is a new stop loss level. And so I would say we dive into the chart analysis, because this is the initial trigger that tells me, hey, there is something new you might have a look at. And you can also scan these levels in hindsight, like the Canadian dollar yen, which appeared around 15 minutes ago. And then you can still check if this is a valid opportunity or not. But I mainly focus on those that are very tight or tight, which is colored in a bit darker green tone. For entry triggers, I mainly focus in those that are either darker green or brighter green, because they are classified as tight or very tight according to our internal Smart Stop classification. And if you then have a look at the corresponding trading chart, this is my one. It's pretty simple. We have an FX power analysis with an 8 hours market analysis, and it's pretty easy to spot at a glance. New Zealand dollar is becoming stronger and stronger. The Japanese yen is here down at the bottom, and that's what I'm mainly looking for. I don't look for specific thresholds. For me, it's just important that one is on the strong side and the other one is on the weak side. So if both involved currencies are on opposite sides of the FX power scale, that fits perfectly. Then you'll see this is my initial stop loss here at 12.9% SL ADR, and then I open my position here with easy trade, place the stop here, and the rest is then job of the Smart Stop manager. You will see in the next chart. In this case, we already have 85% ADR or volatility reached today, and I went for a 100% ATR target here. This is also based on FX dynamic, but we can also have a closer look at the 80% ATR level, which is a bit more conservative and might fit better, but because it's still early in the London session here, I just let it run and have a look how it's going on throughout the day. So this is it from the entry perspective. You see we have a support level below our trade. There is no resistance here directly in front of us, and so this is in, I would say, free space for the move, so we can just move to the upside. And so this is a pretty clear example for trade execution here to the upside. And once that's done, I don't care about these trades anymore, because the Smart Stop manager overtakes. And you see on some of them there have been already newer stops. Here on this one, I entered here with this stop, which has been very tight at this point in time, and the stop loss has been already trailed, so my risk reduced to $6 in this case, and we still have plenty of room to the upside, and we'll see if this Canadian dollar yen moves in this direction or not. But either way, my risk is now limited to $6, so easy going. Another trade, British pound against the Canadian dollar to the downside, went far better. In this case, I didn't react immediately at the notification. I've seen this opportunity a bit later, but this is no big deal, because this price often reverses and then you get an even better entry, as seen here in this case. I entered it as I've seen it, not earlier. I just missed the notification because I was grabbing some coffee here. But no big deal. You can enter at a later point in time and still get an awesome trade. And so I'm overall in profit. And the US dollar yen is currently not really working in my direction, but we have plenty of space still until this SL might be reached. And I honestly don't care about it because there will always be some SL. Not every trade can be a winner, but it's part of the game. And as long as I win more than I lose, I'm pretty happy with that. So, yeah. So that's it. That's how this smart stop trade execution works. It's pretty easy. You just await a notification or have a look at the scanner panel to check the latest as new classified levels. If there are some with a tight or very tight stop loss, then you check the chart situation here. If there is any support or resistance inside or in the way of your trade, then you might avoid it. And if there is free space, as in this example, just execute it, place your stop as shown by the smart stop indicator, and then the smart stop manager will overtake and will do the rest for you. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great trading week, everyone.